In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an email campaign in Brevo. Whether you're looking to engage your audience with newsletters or promotions, Brevo offers an intuitive platform to help you achieve your marketing goals. Let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to brevo.com. This is the main hub where you can access all of Brevo's marketing tools. Once you're on the homepage, look for the marketing section. Clicking on this will lead you to a variety of options, but for our purposes today, we're focused on email campaigns. Next, navigate to the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll find all your existing campaigns and where you can manage and create new ones. To start a new campaign, simply click on the button labeled Create Campaign. This action will initiate the process of setting up a new email campaign from scratch. After clicking Create Campaign, you'll be given a few different options. Here, you'll want to select Email, as this is the type of campaign we're focusing on today. This step is crucial because it sets the framework for your campaign and determines the features and templates available to you. Now it's time to enter the details of your campaign. Begin by entering a campaign name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify the campaign later, especially if you plan on running multiple campaigns simultaneously. Next, select the appropriate tags associated with your campaign. Tags help categorize your campaigns and make them easier to sort and search for in the future. Additionally, you'll need to select a folder to store your campaign. Organizing your campaigns into folders can help keep your dashboard tidy and make navigation simpler. With the basics set up, click Create Campaign to move forward. This step will save your initial settings and take you to the next stage, where you'll add content and further customize your campaign. Now, you'll add crucial information such as the sender's name and email address. This is the information that will appear in your recipients' inboxes, so make sure it's recognizable and trustworthy. Next, specify your recipient list. This is where you'll choose who will receive your campaign emails, drawing from your existing contact lists. Once that's set, it's time to craft an engaging subject line. A compelling subject line is key to improving your open rates, so make sure it's enticing and relevant to the email content. After setting up these details, you can start designing your email. Brevo provides a variety of templates and design tools to help you create visually appealing emails that align with your brand's style. Take some time to explore these options and experiment with different layouts and elements. Once you're happy with your design, it's a good idea to click on the Preview and Test option. This feature allows you to see how your email will look in your subscribers' inboxes and test any links or interactive elements. It's also an opportunity to ensure that everything looks perfect on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, decide whether you want to schedule your campaign for a later date or send it immediately. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you want your email to go out at a specific time, such as during peak engagement hours for your audience. Once all of these decisions are made, you're ready to launch your campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email campaign in Brevo. With these steps, you can effectively reach out to your audience, keeping them informed and engaged with your brand. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.